Hello, take my salam everyone and namaskar. How are you all? Hope you all are going today. I'm also well. Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about myself. I am very excited to say something about you, say something about me to you. Well, this is Dorab Chandra Das. I am from Kumilla. Recently I stay in at Mohammadpur in Mohammadpur at Dhaka. Actually, I am a student, but I have completed my HSC from Municipal Government College Training, and I got 4.2 4 and 2.5 mark, but currently I am doing basic plus IELTS course in English Fantasy at Mohammadpur. I like to play cricket, and I love Virat Kohli also. He like to take pressure. That's why everyone call him the king of cricket. And I also love to read books. It gave me self confidence. I also love to spend my time by gardening, traveling also. If I get a long vacation, then I would like to spend my time to my friend, because I can share everything to my friend. They also makes me confident, and I also make my I would like to spend my free time with my family, because family is my first priority. And I also dislike smoking, that biting also. So thank you everyone for listening me patiently. I have make too much mistake. Please pardon me for my mistake. And thank you for listening patiently. Thank you everyone.